The frustration and stress of dealing with the sound can also fuel feelings of anxiety, making you feel on edge and overwhelmed. Over time, this can spiral into a more serious mood disorder, as you feel trapped by a sound that no one else can hear. But it's crucial to know that you are not powerless against tinnitus. There are highly effective, evidence-based strategies to manage it and reclaim your quality of life. The first step is to get a professional evaluation. An audiologist can perform a comprehensive hearing test, called an audiogram, to determine if there's any underlying hearing loss, which is often linked to tinnitus. This is a critical diagnostic step. Based on your specific situation, one of the most common and effective treatments is sound therapy. This doesn't mean listening to loud music. It involves using neutral, background sounds like white noise, nature sounds, or specialized masking devices. The goal is to enrich your auditory environment so your brain has other, more pleasant sounds to focus on, making the tinnitus less noticeable. Over time, this helps your brain learn to relegate the tinnitus to the background. Another powerful tool is cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. This is a form of counseling that helps you change the way you think about and react to your tinnitus. It's not about eliminating the sound, but about breaking the negative cycle of stress and anxiety associated with it. CBT teaches you coping techniques to habituate to the sound, so it no longer triggers a fight-or-flight response. You learn to accept its presence without letting it control your life. Finally, if your audiogram reveals hearing loss, hearing aids can be a game-changer. By amplifying external sounds, they restore the auditory input your brain has been missing. This gives your brain the clear, rich stimulation it needs, which often reduces the brain's need to turn up the gain. As a result, the perception of tinnitus can decrease significantly, while also improving your ability to communicate and engage with the world around you. Managing tinnitus is a journey, not a quick fix. But with the right professional guidance and a combination of these strategies, you can significantly reduce its impact. Don't let a phantom sound control your life. Take the first step and seek a professional evaluation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more health insights.